Okay, Algebra 2, Math Excel homework, problem 2.4.30. So this book, for working a problem like this, it says put this in standard form. Remember, standard form means they want A plus BI.
Catherine Krebs, please call 627 or stop by the main office. Catherine Krebs, please call 627 or stop by the main office.
They want A plus BI. And so if you're going to do A plus BI in this case, the problem is, other books will call this rationalizing the denominator. What that means is they don't want these i's in the denominator. When we're done, maybe I'll have time to explain a little bit of why that sometimes is. So how do we get rid of the I? Hopefully from the last couple examples, you remember if you take a complex number times its conjugate, we actually get rid of that. And it's just the denominator where we're worried about it. The numerator, again, hopefully I'll have a chance to show you quickly why that can be beneficial. If I multiply by 7 plus I over itself, that's just another name for 1, isn't it? That's a really big highlighter. If I'm multiplying this and this is 1, anything times 1, it's still itself. It might look different, but they're equivalent. So I'm going to multiply by 7 plus I over 7 plus I because that'll take that denominator and turn it into a lot of times even an integer, but at least it'll be a real number instead of imaginary. All right, so let's see what happens here when we do that. Distribute in the numerator, 21 plus 3i, and then in the denominator, FOIL this out. I've got 49. Minus 7i plus 7i, and that I times I of minus I squared. So when I get done with all of that, now I've got my numerator, 21 plus the 3i. In the denominator, that conjugate thing makes the middle part go away. 49 minus the I squared. So that I squared is a negative 1. So I've got 21 plus 3i all over 49 plus 1, 50. Now, if you need to put that in the other standard form, remember, normally we get a common denominator to put things together, but you can also take them apart. So take your 21 over your 50, and your 3 over your 50, and put the I out there just like it's a little X sitting out there. And there you go. You took something that had this imaginary complex denominator. If I asked you, if you take 3 and split it up into a complex number of 7 minus I, how much do you have? It's kind of hard to put that into a contextual form that you can understand. However, if you come over here and I say, well, you got 3/50ths of an I. You can kind of imagine that. I took an I and cut it up into 50 parts and you kept 3 of them. Now it's in a conceptual manner that makes a little bit of sense. So Math Excel homework, Algebra 2, 2.4.30. Hopefully that helps you out on your homework.